Hey everyone, I picked up this lot of iPhone 15 Pros for 450 euros, so let's take a look at what I've got. This lot includes a mix of iPhone 15 Pro, two blue iPhone 14s, an iPhone 14 Pro and its larger variant 13 Pro Max, and as a bonus iPhone 11 Pro. The job lot was sold as parts only. I had no idea what condition these phones would be in. They can be iCloud locked, completely dead, or who knows what else. After about a week they finally arrived, and to my surprise the phones were packed really well. So well in fact that I almost struggled to get them out of the box. First up we have one of the iPhone 14s. The condition is decent overall. The bottom of the phone is pretty beat up. And I noticed someone has already taken it apart as there's a smudge under the camera. I plugged it in and it started boot looping, which told me there was a deeper issue. Next is the iPhone 13 Pro. The back glass is cracked and the display panel is so damaged that it doesn't even show anything when the charger is plugged in. Moving on to the iPhone 11 Pro, the back glass is also cracked, but the display looks okay. However, when I plugged it in, nothing happens. Let's go back to the second iPhone 14. This one is in fantastic condition, no scratches, no dings, it looks really good. Once again, someone was already inside. I see a smudge under the front camera. After plugging it in, the phone gets super hot and no display came up. Up next is iPhone 14 Pro Max. Looking at it, I can already tell that the screen and back glass have been replaced. The border is sticking out, which usually means a non-OEM LCD panel was used. And finally, the golden ticket, the iPhone 15 Pro. The back is smashed, but the front looks fine. According to the amp meter it was charging, but there was no image, so it is either a display issue or something on the board. So here's the rundown. The first iPhone 13 I looked at, I managed to get it powered on. The boot looping issue was caused by proximity sensor flex cable. After disconnecting it, the phone booted just fine, but it was iCloud locked. I will use it only for parts. The iPhone 11 Pro, it has a port issue and it is also iCloud locked, so it's good only for parts. The second iPhone 14, it's a success. It turns out it was iCloud unlocked and I managed to fix the short on board. The issue was a bad capacitor near the NAND chip. Battery health is at 100%, so it hasn't been used much before it died. Now the iPhone 15 Pro. It's not golden after all. Display panel was damaged and the back and frame are cracked. And yes, it's iCloud locked. Next on the chopping board is iPhone 13 Pro. The display and back were damaged and unfortunately it's also iCloud locked. And the last phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's iCloud unlocked, it powers on, but the display is completely dead. I can't test it further, so I'll probably sell it for parts and somebody can use the iCloud unlocked board. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!